Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use the flow state model on Leonardo AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this website, app.leonardo.ai/image generation/flow state, or you can just go to the Leonardo website and click on the flow states option. Now it should bring you to a web page similar to this. And one thing about the flow state model is that you can create one image is equal to one token, which means that for the 150 tokens you'll be given per day, you can create 150 images with them. So which means that you have 150 images per day, and you have multiple accounts, you have more images to create. And now you can also check out some images that have been created with others, or by others rather, and you can go on to start creating. So this is how to use the flow state model. You can also choose the vibe or style you want here, the lighting, the shot type, color theme. You can also choose your image dimension here. Let's say I want mine to be landscape 16:9, and just set it to your preferences and input your prompts in the prompt bar here and generate. Thank you very much, and do have a great day. Please remember to subscribe.